guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have Degustabox. Now, you know, I wasn't happy with the advent calendar. I've just had someone message me who is like my online friend, and we chat about Degustabox and stuff. She just messaged me and said, have you had it yet? And I said, yeah, but I've not unboxed it. And she said, okay, I'll wait. Which makes me think it's not going to be a good one. Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. I think it's $12.99 a month. You can get it slightly cheaper if you do like a sign up for a 6-month contract. Everyone that signs up gets a code, nothing to do with YouTube or anything. Every single person gets a code, which I've got. I will put on the screen or leave a link where you can get, I think, £3 off a box. If you use my code, I will get 50 points. When I get 100 points, I get a free box. This is a free box, but this is in no way PR. They have offered it to me in the past, but they asked me to change how I do my videos, like how I am as a person, and I was like, pfft. So, yeah, this is an honest review, and I hope you'll be able to see that, as all my videos are. Why the fuck does it say Sainsburys on it? What? I'm really confused. It says Sainsburys. What? Is Degustabox owned by Sainsburys now? Oh, it's a collab. Oh. Wow, 50p off voucher, thanks. Hello Degustaboxer. We're very excited to present to you this month's exclusive box. We're in partnership with Sainsburys, and we've tailored a selection of exciting brands for you to enjoy, all available at Sainsburys now. Sainsburys are working with new ways to offer blah blah blah. Boring. Let's have a look. It's just a leaflet. I don't know what it is. We'll have a look. So the first thing we've got is West Country Sour Cream and Chive Sourdough Bites. I won't like them because I don't like chive, but Ben will love these, I imagine. He'll be really happy with them. I will put these in my Christmas hoarding cupboard, where I've been buying treaslets and crisps and biscuits and crackers and all the good stuff, and I've just got it in a cupboard, and Ben is not allowed near it. And he comes and he's like, oh, I want a snack, and I'm like, stay away from my cupboard, fucker. But then on Christmas he's allowed it. We've got more crisps. We've got Piper's cheddar and onion and wild thyme and rosemary. They sound really good. They look really nice. These ones I've had before, and they look they're yummy, but they look nice as well. Not crushed so far. I should probably read you what he says, shouldn't I? Be not a shit YouTuber, Lucy. Those sourdough bites are £2 a bag, which is ridiculous. Oh my god, these are, they're £1.20 a bag. Fuck off. Whether you're entertaining guests with drinks and nibbles or a grazing board, award-winning Pipers are a perfect fit. I mean, they look nice, but £1.20 for a bag is ridiculous. Right, I've got a Nextbar sugar-free pineapple. Well, that sounds horrible. Nobody likes pineapple. I know people do like pineapple. Nobody in this house likes pineapple. I mean, it looks really pretty, but pineapple? Why would you not do like orange and pineapple or mango and pineapple? Pineapple soft drink that doesn't contain any sugar. No wonder it's got Nextbar cult status. All the good stuff. No sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no fructose, no GMO, vegan, all natural, low calorie. Oh, that's tart. Oh, that's horrible. Has it got sweetener in it? Oh my god, it literally tastes like artificial sweetener. It says it's not. It's stevia. Oh, that's horrible. No, don't like that. Gross. Seen something I like though. Tony's Chocolonely. Fuck yeah. Caramel sea salt. Tony's Choco-fucking-lonely. It's only a tiny bar though. I'd have liked it more if it was a big bar. These are £1.35. Tony's Chocolonely is ridiculously expensive, but shit the bed, it's worth it. The best one is the dark chocolate sea salt and almond. Like, oh my god, I could live in it. It's so good. And they're always really pretty on their packaging. Like, not the packaging, but the chocolate always looks really pretty. I'll show you. It's always like a bit different to like a normal bar of chocolate. I love it. Oh, it smells good. I'm being good though, I'm not going to eat that. Who is texting me? Stop texting me. Next, I've got a CLWB Tropica Tiny Rebel. I love the can. The packaging is really cool. Is it fucking pineapple again? Pineapple's mango passion fruit. Into a perfect IPA. Oh, it's alcoholic. Oh, we crush, we squeeze, we twist. I was about to have a big old swig, but I've got to go and do a school run in a minute. I will try this tonight when the kids are back from school, and I will put it on the screen if it is nice or not. But that sounds amazing. I like that. Ew. Herbal tea. Good Earth, £2.75. Ridiculous for 15 tea bags. This isn't your normal brew, yet we naturally delicious and daring drinks like liquid sunshine. Because when you're born in the 1970s California, you've got no chance of coming out boring. Every pack packs a punch of playfulness. Let's have a smell. So it's ginger, turmeric and lemon. I don't even want to open that because I know I'm not going to like it. I'm going to put this in a food bank because otherwise that will just go to waste. That will sit in my cupboard and no one will ever drink that. I've got Dash water. Sparkling water infused with wonky peaches, no calories. I like the packaging again, really pretty. £1.25. Dash is at the forefront of a new wave of healthy soft drinks. We infuse real wonky fruit into delicious sprung British water to create a deliciously refreshing drink that has no sweetener, no sugar and no calories. So I'll try on that. This has just been sat on my doorstep so it is nice and cold. Oh, it smells just like peaches. Oh my god, that's yummy. Oh, I really like that. It's not got caffeine in it, has it? No. Oh my god, that's so nice. This is peach extract. Mmm. Good, but that's 3 drinks. That's a lot of drinks. Okay, next I've got something from Capsicana. Capsicana, tomato and chipotle cooking paste. Ben will love that. I don't like chipotle, but Ben absolutely loves it. So that's all right. These are £1.30, which I think is expensive. But yeah, they're okay. Ben at Capsicana, the guy that owns it, is really nice. He sent me a few bits before and he is lovely. And it is just like a family business, which is nice, but that is a lot of money for a teeny tiny thing. Cocoa caramel peanuts. I don't know. £1.20, expensive for a little tiny bag. Think of a well-known chocolate covered peanut and then discover our delicious healthier version. So it's like an M&M. Oh, they're not bad. They're really good. I thought they were going to be disgusting. No, they're nice. £1.20 is a lot for this. Oh, I like them. I've got just a little bit of salt in them. I like them. Right, what is in this? Something smashed. Oh, fuck's sake. Can't even open this. This is, oh, I wouldn't have eaten it anyway. It's fucking gross. Odyssey Aubergine Dip. I'm going to send Degustabox a picture of that. But that is like completely and utterly smashed in there. How does that get smashed? The box is, that must have been put in smashed because the box is like ridiculously padded and there's nothing in the box that could have smashed that. But this is an aubergine dip, £2.15. Doesn't need to be kept in the fridge. Oh, it says a premium dip that doesn't need to be kept in the fridge. Little star at the bottom. Refrigerate after opening. Fuck off. We've got Brave chickpeas, sweet chilli. Again, Ben will like these. I've had a few things by Brave and they're always nice. God, those peanuts are so good. You either get dark chocolate roasted chickpeas, sweet chilli chickpeas, or roasted sea salt. They all sound nice. This is the one I would least like, but Ben will definitely like them. And then the last thing, I think I've got a vegan, is it vegan? Yeah, a vegan aioli garlic mayo thing. Excuse me. I won't use that, but I'll put it in my cupboard because I've got quite a few friends that are vegan and that's always nice to have on hand if someone is vegan that comes around. So I don't hate the box. I don't hate it by any means, other than that disgustingness that has just leaked all over my hand. but are definitely not the best box. So let me know what you think. Those peanuts are amazing. I really, really like those, and the Tony's Chocolonely. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and New Year, and stay safe.